Hey, George here with the Lee Company electrical team. We have another tech tip for you. Today is on smoke alarms in the house. Every once in a while we will get a false alarm on these smoke detectors. Smoke detectors are usually located inside of your bedrooms, on each side of the house, on one floor or the other floor, and maybe one in the garage as well. If you look at the smoke detector after a false alarm, you should be able to find the one that does have a long red flash on it. This flash does last about 1 to 2 seconds. Otherwise, they usually have a quick red flash about every 30 to 45 seconds. If you do see that long red flash and you're comfortable with getting on ladders, you can get on a ladder. You can twist off the smoke detector, unplug it from the back, and then press the button in the middle to just discharge that so that it won't chirp at you for the rest of the evening.